Yeah, there's hoses and stuff
All there.
Yeah, I'm sort of hoping not to cut into this, but
Yeah,
you know,
I mean, even if you
Velcro it there, yeah, that'd be perfect.
Velcro it, like just move that hose out of the way so it can go flush.
Yeah, or even on my side.
Or actually, what about even just up underneath? Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, like.
Or on my side. Welcome to another episode of Flying Around. We're off for another fly-in brekkie this morning. This one's at Gatton, and like the Watts Bridge one, this one tends to be very popular. The weather today is not as nice as it was for the Watts Bridge fly-in. We got a pretty high, solid overcast, so the video is probably not going to be as pretty as the Watts Bridge fly-in, but should be a good turnout still because you're not predicting any rain, and it's very light winds today. Lovely cool conditions, and so hoping for another big fly-in brekkie turnout. These things are done as fundraisers for the various airfields, so the bigger turnout they get, the better it is for the airfield. So we like to do our bit, plus I like food.
No, you don't. You like flying. Well,
I like flying and food, and I especially like flying for food.
Yeah.
Oh, also, we're flying with a new gadget today that I made, and I'll be making a video of that about that. This is a GPS recorder. It's recording more parameters about our flight than what the GPS normally does for its flying tracks. The flying tracks have very minimal information, and I wanted some more information to produce information on the screens on our videos. If you've watched a fair few of our videos, you will have seen the overlays that I've done on some of the videos. I got a bit frustrated with it because the information was very limited, whereas this is capturing the autopilot information from the GPS, and that captures a lot more information, like where we are relative to our planned track, and what waypoints we're going from and to, and other things like that, so we can put some more information on it, on the overlays.
And it's all captured on a little micro SD card,
yes, that's
which you
right.
punch out and take home and read the data when we get home off the SD card.
That's right. And then I'll load that up into a program called Blender to do the graphic overlay for the video. Heckfield Traffic Legend 8714 is entering and rolling on 28. Departing west for Gatton on climb to initial 2,500. Heckfield. All set?
Yep.
Your door's tight?
Yep, it is.
Okay. Here we go. Okay, you can do your buttons now.
Yep. Yep. That's steady and then flashing.
Yep. Heckfield Traffic Legend 8714 is departing the circuit straight out from 28 on climb to 2,500, tracking for Gatton, Heckfield. That's a big coal mine there.
Coal mine?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Well, it does say mines, but...
Yeah. Pretty sure that's a coal mine.
Oh, isn't it beautiful with the clouds?
Yeah.
We're a bit off course.
Yeah, that's all right. I'm flying a different track to what you've got there.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Nicky, go numbers.
Also, I've been weaving back and forth on track so that I'll get the, the cross-track error left and right sort of thing.
Yep, and this is still flashing.
Yep. And I'm just shooting for this little gap here.
Oh, you're going through the middle there?
Yeah.
That's an 8714.
Yeah, request the status of Amberley airspace, please.
Little Amberley is currently active.
Okay, copy that. 8714.
Jet 408, visual.
Jet 408, thanks.
Oh, no, it's the wrong.
I thought it went
X-ray, Romeo, Echo, parachute, DGA.
It's Romeo X, thanks. Flight control identification services terminate. Frequency change is approved. You can just remain on that code for the next drops.
Oh, we should be able to land if it's like this.
Yeah, well, I've heard other traffic landing already, so it must be okay out there.
Yeah, I just took a picture of a blip on the landscape
Uh-huh.
that was called Mount Walker.
Right.
So I texted to Robert Jeanette.
Okay. Oh, I'm starving.
Not a piece of cake.
Gatton Airpark, MA 228, going downwind 01, full stop. Gatton Airpark.
And Gatton Airpark, Legend 8714 is 10 miles southeast. On descent out at 2,400, inbound estimate circuit at 50, Captain.
Can you see the runway?
Not yet, no. Yeah. I think it might be just the other side of those trees, I'm not sure.
I'd gather it would be.
And Gatton traffic, Legend 8714 is joining crosswind for 19, Gatton.
Yep, they're all down the side.
Yeah. Brakes, undercarriage, mags, pumps and props. Fuel is on. Quantity sufficient. Switches. Instruments all look good. Where's the runway there? Hatches and harnesses. Good to go. And Gatton traffic, Legend 8714 is turning base 19, full stop. Gatton. Yeah, we're good now.
Gatton traffic, Foxtrot 8614 is a 3-mile final approach. Runway 19, and we have the traffic visual. Number 2.
That's good.
Gatton Airpark traffic, RV Zulu Zulu Sierra, 10 miles to the southeast, 2,500, inbound Gatton.
Gatton traffic, Foxbed 8614, final approach, runway 19 at Gatton.
Gatton traffic, Legend 8714 is clear the runway.
Gatton Airport, Foxbed 8614 is short final, runway 19, Gatton full stop.
There are parks way further up.
Are there?
Yeah.
All right, then we'll go up
There are. Well, I thought there were plenty further up.
We're there? Okay.
Yeah, keep going. There are
We'll go up.
marshals, I'm sure.
Yep. Okay, so we're here at Gatton for the so-called brekkie. They ran out of food an hour after they started, and so they went and got some more food, and now they're cooking about one meal about every 10-15 minutes. It's just a bloody disaster. It's so disorganized.